Welcome friends to the Client Solutech YouTube channel. Today our topic is how to get your first, second, third or fourth project on Upwork. Most importantly, how to get your first project. So it's a big problem actually that many fresher and new freelancers face. I am working on Upwork from last 7 to 8 years, and I have already shared many videos or tips about how to get projects. And in this way, today I am particularly focused on sharing some of the great tips with you that helped me also to get projects on Upwork. So let's begin. So friends, to get projects on Upwork, the first and most important thing you have to do is to create your profile. If you have created your profile, there are many things that you have to need to set up properly. For example, in your profile image, make sure that you are using a professional image in which looking perfect, which looking effective, and which is best to present yourself and make impression to the client. So your profile picture need to showcase your personality. Use that as best as possible that you can do. You can wear proper dress of professional dress, and you can take your picture, and don't use selfies and edited photographs in your profile picture, especially on Upwork or any other freelance platform, because these tips are universal and these tips will work on any freelance platform that you are using and are going to use. The second thing you have to do is make your profile title as focused as possible. For example, these days I am using web marketing consultant, in which I work for clients those needs to grow their websites, their presence on the web. But before that, I started as a logo designer. But if you want to start today as a logo designer, you have to be very specific, because if you are a logo designer, your title have to be like logo design for websites, logo design expert, IT companies logo designer, e-commerce websites logo designer, etc. Similarly, if you are a writer, your title can be e-commerce content writer. If you are a web developer or WordPress developer, then your title have to be like WordPress web developer, WordPress expert, etc. So make sure that you create title that directly hit or connect with the client's need, that type of clients you want to work with. So it's most important. So make sure, and I already have written a few articles on this, you can read, and I will share the link in description. You learn them, read and learn the tips from there also about the job description and the title and profile. So now the next thing is your profile description. In your profile description, you have to clarify the client. Someone who read your profile had to understand what you can do for them and what kind of skill set you have. You have to explain your past experiences, your passion, your interest, your future aspirations, and whatever you think that help client to understand you and find that you are the right guy for them and their company to hire you. So write your description from your past experiences, from your present works, and your future aspirations. So write your profile description, that's okay, and also add some of the portfolios. You can add samples. I already written about how you can gain work experience without working on Upwork, and how to add the work experience in your Upwork portfolio. So it's very important. Now the main thing to get first project on Upwork is to apply for the projects. Now it's very important to understand that you only have to apply for those projects in which you think you can work very well. If you are good in that skill, you can use that skill by applying the right project. There are many projects. If you are a WordPress expert, then you have to apply for WordPress projects. If you are a plugin developer, your title is plugin developer, you can apply for plugin projects. Similarly, if you are a content writer, you have to apply for content writing projects. So in this way, not only it will help you to get a project, but it also help you to save your connects. Many job, one project can use 2 connects. Sometimes the higher value project use 4 to 5 connects on Upwork. So it's very important that you apply for the project in which you think you can do. And in the beginning, as a fresher, you have to apply for small projects. $20 project, $50 project, $100 project. When you do these small projects, then you will gain the experience. You will start understanding how clients think, how they work, and what kind of team they want for them in their project. Because they are also in business. They want to become successful in their business. So they want a team that help them to achieve their goals, and in the return they will help you to get your goals. So apply for the right projects. You can, another tips also in this job proposal, related to job proposal, is that apply for project in different time zones. Not only apply on 9 AM, but also apply for project on 9 PM. You can apply at 4 AM because I already shared this tip with many articles and videos, but apply at 4 AM. Apply in that time in which you think there are less competition for the job proposal. Because if you are applying for a project at 9 AM, then there are so many people sitting on the computer and applying for projects. Then for one project there are 100 plus freelancers. So to get appear first or to get filtered fast, you have to choose the time according to you have to use some kind of strategy to apply for projects. You can also target Australian clients. You can also target UK clients and their time zones, and because you have to be competitive and creative to become a successful freelancer, because maximum freelancers are professional. Maximum freelancers are the successful or the experts, or those are working on Upwork or many other platforms are professional. They are very competitive. You have to compete with great people. You have to compete with other freelancers, and it's great to compete with them. For example, I have to compete with not only with experts but also new people, and it's great for myself, my learning, and also to improve my skill. And similarly to you, if you are a new freelancer, you don't have to think that they are more expert. There are many freelancers, they are more expert than you, or you have to think that there are less experienced people than you. No. Everyone on each day is a fresher. Not only expert get good job, but also those freshers also get good projects and project opportunities. So you have to vary the time zone, countries, and your writing style. How do you write a job proposal? In Skilled Freelancer, the skilledfreelancer.com is a new website that I already also created only with the focus to support and guide and share experiences with freelancer. It's completely focused on freelancers and their to help them to become successful. And I have shared this in the description, theskilledfreelancer.com. In this website, I already shared how to write job proposal. You also find it on our clientsolutek.com website, and many people appreciated that and helped them to write a good job proposals. I have shared my own examples. How do you write a job proposal on Upwork? I have shared that, my own job proposals or project proposals. So when you write job project proposal, make sure that you connect with the client. You communicate with the client about the solution. It's not matter you talk them about good morning, good afternoon. That is a way to start a conversation. But the main point, client want a solution. For example, if someone's if a client website is slow and they posted a project on Upwork regarding to increase their website speed, what they want is the way, because they have already tried some tips. They are not hiring directly you. Before posting a project on Upwork, they already searched that problem. They already searched the solutions. But they don't know how to do them. Many do, but not all of them know about how to improve their website speed. Now, to write a job proposal to improve the website speed, you have to show the steps, the way you are going to do that. Not only that, you also share examples of your previous websites that you have improved. So, what the conclusion in about job proposal is that you have to write it very specifically and you have to write a solution. It can be a steps, it can be with examples. You can share your past experiences, examples, your profile, and anything that you think will help you and the client to understand the solution that you provide for them. So it's very important. The next step to get your first or second, third, fourth, fifth client on Upwork is that be available. Be ready for the interview, for test job, for anything that client want. Because before hiring you or before giving you the bigger projects, they want to test you. They are testing you with $2, $5, $10 project. They don't going to hire you directly for $500 project or $1,000 projects. First, they will test you on $20 project, $50 project. And when they test you, they want to know about your availability. How much time you spend on your computer. Are you doing it part-time or full-time? You are a freelancer or you are just trying to earn money? They want to test. They also test about your skill set, your communication style, how you understand them. So all of these things matter. So writing a job proposal and available after sending a job proposal or project proposal, it's very important that you are ready. For example, if client replied to your job proposal, your project proposal, but you are replying to them after 6 hours, then it's very late. Everyone wants their work to complete fast. And to complete the work fast, it's important to be available to them whenever they need. And it's common. So I think overall these little tips will help you to get your project on Upwork, your first project on Upwork. And another tip is that keep applying. Keep applying. And not only that, understand the job project, and then if you are not hired by the client, then think and plan what is missing. What is the possibility? Why you are not got hired by them for their project? What are the problems? What are the problems? Is your profile photo is not correct? Is your title is not correct? Is your job proposal is not that effective? Or you haven't applied for them? Or you haven't shared experiences? You haven't understand the job description? Or you don't know the work that they want from a freelancer to do? So identify, troubleshoot the problems, troubleshoot the rejection points, troubleshoot the failure. What are the reason of failure? Why are you getting rejected? And search those skills and find out the tips from the other expert freelancer or YouTuber, and make notes and practice and learn those tips, and then practice your own skill set. After 2-3 hours, then start applying again and keep trying. I got my first project after 60 failures, 60 plus rejections. In that time, even I don't know how to write a correct sentence in English. Even I don't know today. But I do it because communication, English is not that much important. What is more important is that you know the work, you understand the proposal, you understand the project. When you understand the project, then it becomes easy to communicate about the project, because you can communicate about the project or technical things very easily. But if you are a good communicator but you don't understand what about the job project, then it's very tough. So you have to, not only you have to improve your skill, but you also understand what kind of projects are coming on Upwork related to your field. For example, if a logo designer, then you have to find out the trends, what kind of works clients want next, and what kind of solution you can provide them. So it's very important. And the golden tip to get your first project on Upwork, that I already shared in the previous videos, that you create your own website. I already told about this 4 to 5 years ago, written in an article, that don't only depends on freelance website. Make your own website, create your profile there, add your portfolio, whatever experience you have, do blogging there, or start your own YouTube channel, and use all the sources and methods that you can do to promote yourself, your freelance services, and keep doing it. Keep improving and keep doing it. You will get your project very soon. So friends, that's what I know. I have lots to share with you, and I will try my best to help you as much as possible. So we'll talk to you in next video about new projects and about new tips. So thank you very much. If you have any question, please comment, and to support me and this channel, and if you want to create new videos and related to your problem, please share your problems, please comment, and I will do my best to answer and provide a solution to those problems. Thank you very much.